Hey everyone, this is Chuck, and I am here to show you guys the full time frame continuity scan. I'm going to do the full time frame continuity up. I get tons of questions on Twitter about this, so I thought I'd just record a quick video, show you guys how to do it, and hopefully that'll help you scan for this and follow what I'm doing. All right, so the first thing you want to do is you're going to go to your scan section. Then you're going to come over to the sandwich. You're going to go down to load scan query. It's the only way I know how to get there. And then you're going to go to create scan query. Boom. This pops up and we're going to call it full time frame continuity up. And this is a copy, so I'm going to put number 2 there. You do not have to do that. They put in automatic stuff here. I'm going to change the first one to last, and the reason why I do this is I like to find stocks that are full time frame continuity up that are over $10. Then I'm going to kill these other two, and I'm going to begin to build my filters. So there's add filter right here. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to go to study. And then I'm going to go down to volume because I like to find stocks that have a certain volume. Volume average, this is over 50. I'm going to take it down to 30 days, and I'm going to take this down to 400,000. The reason why I do that is there's a lot of big movers that are below the million that can move a lot and give us some good information. Okay. Then I'm going to add my customized full time frame continuity sorting parts, which is basically I go into study, custom. This pops up right here. This is your custom window. It's already pre-populated. Ignore that. I go to Think Script Editor and I highlight that and I type in close is greater than the open. What does that do? That tells it to scan for stocks during that time period that are above the open. So I'm going to start with the day time period. Then I'm going to add another filter, the exact same one, go to custom. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to do the week, and we're going to add this in. You can cut and paste this and just keep popping it in, or sorry, copy and paste this. Okay, I'm going to add another filter, custom. And what I'm doing here is I'm trying to find out full time frame continuity all the way through. So I look at two different types of time frame continuities. I look at the time frame continuity, and I know this is a little technical, but TFC, and when I'm looking at that, I'm only looking at what is going on currently, meaning the day, week, and month. What's in control there? Because sometimes you can have a gigantic year, it could even be inside, but there's a lot of movement. So you just might want to find out what is currently going on with what they're buying just this month. So I would call that time frame continuity. That's just how I do it. I think there's other stratters that might say, well, what's this difference? Well, the difference to me is if you get full time continuity, then the full spectrum is in the same direction. The year, the quarter, the month, the week, the day. If you want just time frame continuity, you can choose what you want that to be. You could say, oh, this is in time frame continuity on the hour, the 4 hour, the day, and the week. It could be contrary to the month, but they're buying in the week because they're switching or reversing something. Okay. So here we go. We've got our day, week, month, quarter, year, closes greater than open, average volume 400,000 or more, $10 stock. I'm going to hit save. It is going to then ask me to go search for it, which I go into load scan query. I'm going to go into my FTFC up. There's the query. I'm going to hit scan. Got to wait for it to populate. Sometimes it's slow. There you go. So if you see, you've got all of your day, week, month, quarter, year are all green. As you know, I like the ATR, so I keep this here. And there's your volume. Some are actually lower from yesterday. That's all it's telling you. But overall, the average is over 400,000. So there you get your FTFC up, and you can just do the opposite for down. So you would just take your close is less than your open on all of those time frames. I hope that helps. If you have any questions, hit me up on Twitter, and we'll talk soon.